Hello everyone. Today we are going to perform the De Morgan's theorem. Okay. For that De Morgan's theorems, two statements are there. Means De Morgan's first theorem and De Morgan's second theorem. First theorem is that the complement of the sum means A and B are the input, and complement of that sum means A plus B's complement is equal to the product of the complements, means A plus B complement is equal to the A complement into the B complement. This is the first statement or first theorem. And second theorem is that the complement of the product means A and B both are the inputs. The complement of that means A dot B, A multiplied by B, whose whole complement is equal to the complements of the sum. And this is the second statement or second theorem of this De Morgan's theorem. And okay. And for that experiment, we require the three basic gates. First one is the AND gate, and its IC is 7408. Second one is the OR gate, and its IC is 7432. And next one is we are going to use the NOT gate, and its IC number is 7404. Okay, this is the experimental setup of the De Morgan's first theorem and second theorem. We required three ICs. First one is 7408, and this is for the AND gate IC. This is the 7404. This is the NOT gate IC, and third one is 7432. Okay, this is the IC. Here notch is there. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 14 pin IC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 14 VCC, 7 ground. Same, this is 7404 is the NOT gate IC. Here also 14 and 7 VCC and ground. Same for 7432, it is used for the OR gate. 14 plus VCC and 7 is the ground. Okay, we are using the three gates and confirm the statements or the theorems of the De Morgan's theorems. Okay, so now first statement is that the complement of the sum equal to the product of the complement. Okay, and for that purpose there are the two parts. One is the LHS statement we have to verify, and simultaneously RHS side statement also verified. Okay, for that purpose, so now we are making the connections. Okay, now you just see the circuit. Okay, this is the circuit. Here you just see, this is the OR gate. A and B, these are the inputs. Okay, OR gate. So now first we will going to give the supply to that whole ICs. Okay, this is, here is the regulated power supply, here the transformer. Okay, this is the LED, this is rectifier capacitor, and this is the regulated IC. Here is the 5 volt supply, and same supply connection is also there. You just see here 5 and minus. This is the 5 volt DC supply. So now we are using the three ICs, first, second and third. That's why we are going to connect the supply for the three ICs. Dekho, you just see here, this is the first 7480 ground supply. This is this IC supply, and this is for this IC supply. This is the ground. Okay, now again plus 5 volt. Here is the connection. Okay, 3 pins are there. First one is connected to the 14 of this pin number 7408. Second one is connected to the 7404, and third one is this IC. Okay, so you have to given the supply to that IC, and now you want to verify the circuits. For that you take the two wires. First statement is that the sum means sum के लिए which IC we are using for the sum 7432 is the OR gate IC. Okay, this is the A and this is the B. These are the two inputs. Okay, now here is the output, and that output has to be connected to the NOT gate. Okay, this has to be connected to the NOT gate. ये देखो ये NOT gate IC. Now I am going to connect here, and the output of this connect over here through LED. Okay, and if you want to check this, again you have to output of this OR gate, you have to connect here. And so just see, this is the A and B. So you just see the LHS part of this. You just see here. You just see here. This is the OR gate, A and B. Okay, 1 and 2. These are the connected. Okay. After that, its output of this OR gate has to be connected to the input of this NOT gate. This wire is connected to here, and here is the output. This is the output. Okay. So now LHS, you confirm it. This is the, both are the 0 0. This A is 0. This is B is 0. 0 means you have to connect the ground. So 0 plus 0 means 0. Okay, and this output has to be connected over here. The complement of that 0 is 1. That's why this LED is glowing. Okay. Second, A is 0 and B is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. And output of this OR gate connected here, and that time output is high, 1. That's why we have given the 1 input to this NOT gate, and ultimately this is goes to 0. Second condition is also verified. Okay. The same thing for, so now this A is connected to the 1 and this B is connected to the 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, and this high output means 1 voltage connected to given to the NOT gate input, and you will get this 0. Means third condition is also satisfied. And last condition, this is the A, this is the B. Both are the 1 1. 1 plus 1, 1. Okay, this is the high, and this high output of this OR gate connected to here, that will you will get the 0 output. Now we have already verified the LHS. Now we want to verify the RHS side. So you see here RHS side. 1 NOT gate. This is the second NAND gate. 1 number in, second out, third number in, 4 number out. Means this is the 1 gate, this is the second gate. This A and B. And output of this first and output of this second, both are the input of the NAND gates. 7408 is the NAND gate IC. And you will get the output on the third. Okay. So we want to verify this. Verify means that A and B 0 0. Okay, here and here we are going to the high low voltage, means 0 condition. That time what will happen? NOT gate is nothing but the complement of the input. So you will get the high input, and that high input connected to here, that time you will get the 1. Okay, so we are just making the circuit. You just see here. This is the A input of this first gate. Okay. And this is the B for the second gate. This is the 1 gate. This is the second gate. First gate's output is connected to the input of this NAND gate, and second gate, NOT gate output has to be connected to the input of this NAND gate, and the output pin LED we have to connect here, okay. Right now we are not going to connect this, we are just checking it. So now where it is the input, this is the A and this is the B, okay, this A and B. So now first condition, both are the zeros, that's why I am connected, these two things are here, this is the 0, this is also 0, okay. We have given the two gates input 0. So now we want to check the output. First input 0, second output is high. You just see glowing, means 1 is there. Again this wire is also 0 connected, the output of this 1. Means both the high output that has to be connected here, and 1 plus 1 multiplication 1. The first condition satisfied. Now second condition. Second condition, this is the 0 and this is the 1, okay. So now this is the 0, first is the 0, its output will be high, just see the LED, high. And now this is the high, output will be low, okay. High 1 multiplied by 0, the both will be the 0, and zeros multiplication 0, that's why here is the 0. Now okay, just see again third condition. Third condition is that this A is the 1 and this second input NOT gates input is 0, okay. So now you just check it, we have connected 1, here is the 1, the output of this first gate of the NOT gate will be the 0. Here we are second gate, we are give the 0 input and your output will be high, and this both the inputs, both the outputs of this NOT gate connected to the input of this NAND gate, and your output will be 0. And last condition is that we are going to connect both the 1 and 1. This is the A and this is the B. Both are the high, okay. Both are high, so output will be the first output of this first NOT gate will be the 0 because its input is high. Second gate input is high, output is low, and both the 0 0 output of this first and second, they are connected to the input of this NAND AND gate, and then your output will be the 0, okay. Now we have already verified the first statement of or first theorem of the De Morgan's theorems. Come to the second theorem. What was the statement of that? Complement of product. The complement of the product is equal to the sum of the complement, okay. So now A, you just see here, A, just see here, A into B complement is equal to A complement plus B complement, okay. For this purpose we are going to verify this circuit. First LHS and RHS. LHS is nothing but the product complement. This is are the NOT gate AND gate, A and B. Its complement has to be output of this complement is connected to the NOT gate, and NOT gate purpose of that NOT gate, so whatever the input you are given to the NOT gate, high or low, so it will give the complement, and that has to be verified it, okay. So we are making this type of the circuit over here, okay. First one is the 7408 IC. 740 AND gate IC. This is the A, this is the B, okay. And after that the output of this connected to the NOT gate. We have connected here this output into the input of this, and we are going to connect this output of this NOT gate, okay. This is the A and B, okay. Both are the low. Low means 0, ground. You have to connect here ground. Then what happens? This 0, 0 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 0, 0, and 0 connected. That time output should be high. Now we have connect these are the two inputs. Okay. Now output of this NAND gate is connected to the NOT gate. Okay, and output of this NOT gate will be connected here. This is the AND gate. This is the A and B. Both are the 0. 0 means you have to connect the NOT gate. What will happen? Both are the 0. Output will be 0, and this output 0 given input to the NOT gate, and its complement will come here. Okay. Same way, when you connected to the plus VCC, means 5 volt high, this will be the high, this will be the high, and if you want to check this is high or not for the first AND gate, you just check through this LED. This is the high output, and this high output is connected to the NOT gate, and you will get the low. You will get the low output of this. Okay, then this is the way you can check the LHS. Now we are going to check the second statement's RHS side. These are the two. This is the first NOT gate. This is the first NOT gate. Okay, so we have given the input to this. This is the A. Okay, now this is the second gate, means third terminal. This, so we have to give here. This will be the B, and this will be the A. These are the two inputs, A and B. Now output of this first is connected to the OR gate's input. Here we are connecting here. Okay, now same thing, the output of this second gate, this is the second gate, the NOT gate. Output of this second NAND gate connected to the input of this OR gate, this OR gate 7.32, and this output will be measured on the 3. Okay, so now this is the A and this is the B. Okay, now RHS means both are the zeros, your output will be 1. Okay, so now we are connected this A and B. It has to be connected to the 0.
1.
This 0 high input, and that has to given to the R. This is the 0. Output of this NOT gate connected high here. So you just check whether it is high input. High input 1 plus 1 means high input. Okay, and if you want same thing, you are just give to the both the 1 1. Both the 1 1. Here is the high input, the low output. High input, low output, and this both the low outputs connected to here. So 0 plus 0, 0. Okay, only check this A and B, 0 and 1, 1 and 0. This is the 1, this is the 0. Okay, so you will get the high output, and this will also change this. A is 1 and B is the 0. You will get the high output. You just see both are the zeros. 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. It was totally dead, means LED was glow off. Okay, and this is the way we are verifying the De Morgan's theorem. It is a very useful. Okay, thank you.